Hi guys, that will be a short one. Let's just assume that you tried to get a technical inspection for your car and you didn't get it because the switch of hazard light was not working. And it just theoretical situation didn't happen to me. Now I have the switch and I will try to clean it and make it work. It's kind of working, but it's not working always. So I guess there is just some dirt and contacts are dirty. So we will try to use a contact spray and make it work. Theoretically, it's not my car. And it's in my car, it's perfectly okay. So I will try to put it apart somehow with you. Sorry for the camera, but it's a simple, quick video. I don't know what is that, but I just kind of move it somewhere else. Don't think it was good. Okay. Okay. We have this. Okay, this is a light. Okay. Very small light. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, all right, nice. What the hell is that? Okay. Okay, so these two pins are for actually information to the lights, if they're on or not. And this is the light bulb, very tiny little one. And those are contactors and they work. Yeah, but how do they stay permanently on? Okay, they don't need to because it's not a switch. It's actually a button. It's actually a button. It's switching, but it's switching like a button, I guess. I think it's just the computer is switching, but this is just a button. It's just on off. I mean, it's not on off. It's like it just shortly connecting these two connectors here. So we'll give it a proper wash. Maybe it will not work as good as it was. There is, and there in the middle you have a very small spring. Maybe there was just too much of the grease and stuff. Does it make sense to have this bulb like this? Don't make any sense. Of course not. Need to be like that. Yep. Nice. Yeah, like this. Let's go and test it in the car. Yeah, so welcome back in the car. Now we can test it. If you don't know how to take this off, this is, as you probably imagine, is here. So you need to go with your trim removal tool here. I didn't have a trim removal tool, so bike tire removal tool is as well good. It's plastic and hard. So you go here, then you go here, then you slide it under here and slide it toward here, and it's going out pretty hard. You feel like you're breaking something, and in my case there was a small little bit, some kind of a rubbery stuff here along this edge, probably to prevent it from squeaking or something. So it was additionally holding. So we have a one clip here, one clip here, and one clip here, and yeah, there are 3 clips, and you pull it out, and then you need to unscrew the button from here. So yeah, and then you can unplug it here. Let's see if it's working any better. Light is not working, but the button is working very good. Yeah, it was working very poorly before, and now it just first class. So I will investigate the case of this lamp here, where to get one maybe, or replacement or something like that. But anyway, I would call this a fix. So we are back on the topic. Thanks to my neighbor, I have a light bulb which seems to be what I need. So I will try to now remove this one and put this one in. Wish me luck. So I'm back with the needle, extra light. I think they're slightly different, but I hope close enough. So we will shorten the new one. I know it's not the perfect Seitenschneider, but it needs to be good enough. There you go. Okay. Oh, my pigeon is on the outside. I mean, it's not my, but I called it Sebastian. So Sebastian is getting some food now. Okay, like that. Okay, I like that too. So we'll give it a test. Yay! Now I need to put this apart again. Okay. Nice. So we're back in the car and we can see if it will work any better. It's not working. Why it's not working? That is crazy. I will need to investigate it further, but I mean, this light bulb is okay, seems like. So welcome back in the car. So there is a progress. As you saw before, the button is working, the light is working. We swapped the light bulb, so it's working. The problem is that it's not working when I put it in the car. That's annoying part. So I will put some more contact spray on this connector, and we'll see if it brings anything. Good. So I think I have a progress. I think the problem was that I thought this is on when the hazard lights are on, but I think it's actually on when the dash lights are on. Well, that's what I thought. Yep, that's exactly how it is. So it's working and it's better. I fix it. Okay, I will now put it together the right way without breaking anything. So we're going with that here. Yep. Let's go here. See, there is it. Turn left to find the thread. No? Yep, and now go in. So, again, put it in. Turn left till it finds its thread again. And put it back in. Nice. Snug, not too snug. We'll see how it goes together now. Okay, that's nice. So, and this. Oh, nice. It's on. And it's working every time. Super. So that will be a short tutorial how to fix this thing. Thank you for tuning in, and we see us in the next one. Cheers.